Hey people, how are you doing? Today we're making Bolani. It's an Afghan flatbread which is fried and baked, and there are vegetable fillings. For a Bolani you need at least these vegetables: spring onion, potatoes. Keep in mind these are cooked. You also need some coriander, chili pepper, some cloves of garlic, tomatoes, and this is sunflower oil. In some occasional cases you can also use pumpkins. Unfortunately, I didn't make a video about the pastry, but maybe next time I will make it. So for the pastry you need whole grain flour, normal grain flour, so a combination of that. You also need some yeast, some warm water, some olive oil, and also some salt. You need to mix it up, and eventually you need to rise it up to 2 hours. And if you put some more yeast, it will even rise faster. So the more yeast you will add, the faster it will rise. First of all, you're peeling the cooked potatoes, and after that you will mash it. And you're also chopping some spring onions, peppers, garlic, also some coriander, some tomatoes, and then you're adding the chopped vegetables. And just mix the added stuff. You're also doing the same for pumpkins, but you have to put it in a separate bowl. But first you have to grate the pumpkins, and eventually you have 2 bowls, and you will make 2 kinds of bolani. And you're also adding some flour on the surface, and you're making some little balls, and you're putting them on the surface where the flour is. Just make it flat and also roll it. It is like making a pizza, but it's actually not the case. You're adding some vegetables on the pastry, and you will spread it evenly on one side. Like a book, you will close the pastry, and that's the vegetable filling, which is inside. And you repeat the same process again and again until there's no pastry. You already preheat the pan, and then you will add some sunflower oil to the pan. And then you will add the bolani on the pan. On this side you will also add some sunflower oil in order to be fried very well. And you will turn it on the flip side. And eventually you will make a pile of bolanis. Lastly, you can also make a sauce for bolani. In this case I've added some yogurt and sambal, and I've mixed it up. And it's really delicious if you put some bolani on it. And there it is.